Your number one responsibility in business is to make a profit, period. Businesses don't exist without profit. You can't have impact without profit. You can't serve others without profit if you're in business, okay? Rule number one is you make a profit. Everything else is secondary to that. And so I got on a podcast one day with this woman, Kathleen Gage. She goes way back in this business. She'd interviewed 50 or 60 people, and she says, Jason, what do you enjoy the most about being an entrepreneur? And I said, Kathleen, I can tell you exactly what I enjoy the most about being an entrepreneur. And she leaned in closely, and she says, what's that? And I said, here it is. The money. The money. That's what I enjoy the most, okay? Now, I try to link making money with value creation because I find I sleep better at night, and I find I tend to make more money when I do that. But that's rule number one. So people get into these groups, or what I just showed you today. What I just explained to you today as far as the traffic system goes, that is hardcore deal making. That is blue-blooded, let me figure out a creative way to bring in a lot of money into my universe. That is being very clear and comfortable with my relationship with wealth and with money. And unfortunately, I don't see that a lot. So I get into these rooms or I get into these situations, and the first thing I think of, where is the path to the money? And how can I get it? And then I always find the path to the money is service first, value first, results in advance. But not without the attachment to, this is what the deal is going to look like. I'm giving you value, and this is how I expect to get paid in return. That's the secret.